Now, you know how important texting is when it comes to marketing funnels, communicating with your clients. But a lot of times you got people who are opting into your list with a phone number that you don't know if it is a mobile number or a landline number. And this is a common occurrence, especially even if you have an existing database and you want to get into using text messaging for your marketing. So how do you figure it out? Well, what I'm going to show you here is a combination between what we're doing with Keap and what we're doing with Fix Your Funnel, two great platforms. Keap being the CRM marketing automation system and Fix Your Funnel being an add-on that allows the text messaging to happen. Now, here's a solution that they've come up with. They have this lovely tool called the check number bot. And essentially what it does is when you run your list or your database through this bot, it will look at the numbers on file. And what it will do, if it's a landline, it'll put it in phone number 2. If it's a mobile number, it'll put it in phone number 1 and tag accordingly. This is a great little bot, and I have to show you this because I absolutely love this campaign that we created. So here it is. I called it phone number verification, and very simple in its structure, but very powerful in how it's being done. What we got is an initial trigger tag that is starting to validate the phone number. So this can be applied at any point. You can run it through an entire list, or after anybody opts into any form that has a phone number, if you include that tag, they'll run through here. They're going to come through a decision diamond. So the first time they come through, let's assume that they have never been in this before. They're going to come through. They're going to end up in this send phone to verification. So they're going to essentially be sent to Fix Your Funnel using a webhook that is going to send them that URL and then give them all this information here. Now, the last time I ran this, I hard-coded in United States here. Because in Canada, it does not work. So every other country in the world except Canada right now, at the time of recording this video, does not work. So even if I put United States, it should still work, no problem. You can put in the merge field for the country, but that country field has to be on the record. If it's not on the record, then you have to hard code it in like this just to make it work. So just a little workaround, but it does work regardless when it's in there. Then it's going to remove any tags. It is removing the phone validation tag and the failed tag, and that's going to become important here in a second. So once it goes through, what will happen is Fix Your Funnel will do its thing, it'll do its magic, and it will spit back the results into the contact record. If it's mobile, puts it in phone 1, it actually moves the numbers for you. If it's landline, it puts it in phone 2, but it will also tag with these following tags: the phone validation mobile, the phone validation landline, and the phone validation completed. So if they have both those numbers, they will get 3 tags. If they've got one number that's a mobile and no other number, they'll get mobile and completed. If there is an issue, if it fails, they will get the failed tag. And that is why we have removed it from the top one here, because you want to be able to send them through again once you've got things updated or they come through and they give a new number. That's the reason that if they fail previous, but they go through and complete, you want them to have that tag. Now, if they've already come through and they've been completed, completed means success. We want them not to have to be sent over to Fix Your Funnel again because you are paying 1 cent for everyone that goes through. It might be minor, but if you're doing thousands, it can add up over time. So we're going to then drop them down to a previously validated. It's going to remove the trigger tag. It's not going to do anything. It's just going to follow them through. If their country is set to Canada, because we know right now it does not verify in Canada, it is going to bypass as well. Very simple structure, but very powerful results. If you've got that problem in your business and you're not using Keap or Fix Your Funnel and you would like to find out more, please reach out to me, comment below this video, and I'd be happy to answer those for you. If you're using one and or the other and you'd like some help as well, reach out in the comments below in the video. I'd be happy to help you out. This technology is out there. It is phenomenal in what we can do, but unless you know the right information in your data, you might as well not have it. So have the numbers, make sure you're validating them, and you're able to then leverage that technology for your business. In closing, thanks for watching this. If you like this tutorial and you like any other videos there, we'll be putting out more content just like this to help you market your business. So please subscribe to the channel. You got a question, comment below. Thanks for watching.